Uh, Recently, we have launched our website, learn with that.com. So, if hit enter, so this is our website. So you will get all the notification uh, and all the updates about the website. Okay. So this is our home section. So we also started providing IoT solutions. Then now your mobile is your guru because we are adding videos onto YouTube channels, also posting it on the Facebook also, so you can go through it and learn the things. Attend live webinars and workshops as we are broadcasting our webinars on the YouTube as well as Google Meet application. So you can go there and attend the webinars or workshops. And you can follow us on Facebook, YouTube to get live updates from our new technology and programming languages. Okay, then about us. So this is the information you can go through in detail. So our mission is to have a eco-friendly education system from first grade to graduations. Our plan, we want to educate our fresher and students in innovative way. Our vision, we want to explore the skills of students and utilize it to give them access and success in their fields. Next is what we do. So we offer variety of services to our clients. Clients nothing but our students only. I'm just referring client word. Live trainings, IoT platform, which is a free of cost currently as it's in a beta version mode. Then website development, whether it is a business website, whether it's a class website, all type of website development we do. Interview guidance for freshers, for third year students, for final year engineering students, or any stream, whether it's related to computer, electronics, or other. Also, we take workshops. So workshop is for high school as well as engineering students. Then website hosting for small businesses, medium scale businesses, and large businesses. So we do provide website hosting with the economical cost. Mainly, we are providing this website hosting to the startups so that they have a very less cost for making their business online as the money plays vital role for the startups. What skills we have, let's click on there. So our skill is into mainly into C and embedded C, IoT, then Python, web development, and AutoSAR, which is a currently emerging technology for any electronics automotive company. So let's go to news. So currently, so we all upload our latest news, like a new website launched, then our C course we have launched, then our YouTube channel we have launched, Facebook page we have launched. So all new upcoming news are present in this news section. So if you want to know about what currently any new thing, then you just browse to learnwiththat.com and click on the news so that you will get updated news. Last one is a contact. So like this is the number, then email ID and address, and you can chat with us on click on live chat. So this is the option. So like you can fill it. So all the data that you are going to send here are private and it is protected against the data protection regulation policy. So you don't have to worry. You just accept it and start texting. Okay, and corresponding will get response. Okay, so it's all live chat. This is the number and this is the mail. If you have any query, you can just click on it and you can send mail to us. That's all about the website. Also, we have launched IoT platform. So that you just have to click here and you will redirect it to our IoT platform, which is useful for making things online, controlling things online. Things means like any device you can control. So details of this platform I'll tell you in next video. Okay. So thank you for your attention, thank you for your time. Have a nice day ahead.